This is so interesting. Well, hello everyone and a good morning to you. Cling! I'm just having my tea right now. It's a very cloudy morning. As you all know, I'm back in Johor since last week. So today is Monday. I want to start off my week with a productive cleaning day because that's what I like to do. I like to clean. So much like a Cinderella. Anyhow, I just had my simple breakfast, which is pesto and some toast. I didn't record any of that because I wasn't sure whether I want to vlog today. Today, I might even set up my studio. I just need to declutter and chuck a lot of junk because I realized I got so much junk. It's embarrassing what I'm about to show you guys later. I just popped my laundry in the washing machine and I'm gonna wait for that. I'm just digesting my food right now and I'm gonna chill for about 15 minutes watching some cartoons. I just switched on some Smurf just to dilly-dally for a bit. Gonna get my vitamins and around 10 to 15 minutes we'll start cleaning. So I'm gonna bring you guys along with me. Good morning! Guys, I'm literally sweating. You know, like the cleaning is going down when I already tie up my hair. It's 1 o'clock sharp. So I managed to clean up the house. I mopped, I vacuumed for about 30 minutes or so. It's just a lunch for one, so just gonna make it simple. I'm gonna make some yimi, Chinese yimi, and I'm gonna share it with you guys. Let's go. So I'm using this clay pot yimi. I really love yimi. I filleted some chicken yesterday for today's lunch. Let's see what veggies we shall use. Cabbage. Get some cabbage. We have chili, we have cabbage. We already have chicken, so I'm not gonna add any more stuff. Oh, I need garlic. I need garlic. Garlic is important. Okay, let's start cooking. So much. Guys, I'm gonna have my lunch, continue watching the Smurfs, and just chill about half an hour before I continue cleaning and setting up my studio. So excuse my chill time again. Nice. Of course lah, nice kan. Takkan masak sendiri betul cakap tak sedap pun. So guys, I'm about to set up my home studio. See, this fan is like so freaking loud. I literally move all my things here in this room and then I head back to Chores. So this whole room is like, it's not organized, you know, I just jump out all my things here. So I'm just gonna do a little bit of going through my stuff and decluttering lots and lots of junk, basically. So I have my Focusrite. You have no idea how much I spent on this baby, and I only used it like a couple of times, so I was very spendthrift about what I like to do. That end up I did not do anything. This was my makeup bag, so I keep all my cables here, my mic here. Then, oh, these are so dusty. This is from my colleagues before I left YTL. So sweet of them to give me this. Just gotta put it here. It's gonna tidy up the space for a bit. All the books, an old printer, which I'm not even sure whether I can use or not. I got this rack from IKEA. So this idea was supposed to be like a backdrop for my shooting. So I can put like a plain backdrop and then I can just like stand in front of it. Like, you get the idea. But I'm just, well, I literally putting clothes on it for the time being. This chair too, got it from IKEA. Finally, a chair of my own. So yeah, I need to go through of all the stuff, all the trash here. This is little me. This is one of the art that I did last time. So just gonna go through the things. And so this is my recording stand. If you can see clearly, you see how rusty it is. Shows how often I use them. Wanna see something chubby? This is me when I was 17. And this is me when I graduated my degree. Sama bulat je aku tengok. But I'm like fairer in this one. Okay, so I found my old sketchbook. I'm gonna show you what I drew. You see? How do I even come up with these kind of ideas? And it was like 2013. It was like 7 years ago, man. And yeah, the next one. Elvis Rider, yo. How did I even come up with this kind of character? Cheryl. Oh, I love this one. I remember this. This one, like last time I corner want to be like tattoo artist like that lah. So I've already packed all my things. I mean, it's still look the same, of course. But I already decluttered some stuff because I do not have any shelves in this room. So I'm gonna get some cabinets and things like that. Maybe get a plank of wood to mount to the wall so that I can put my camera equipment and stuff like that. So this is the study table. Put a frame. I tested my speakers. It seems to be working. So this is my so-called workspace. This is my tripod. And I will use couple of times. Woo. Hello, higher version. Okay, cool. So I already checked my tripod. Now I'm gonna check on my audio interface, which again, in years since I used. Okay. Hello. Woo! It works. Hello. Oh my god. This is so exciting. Oh my god. I'm hearing myself. I'm literally hearing myself. Yes! This is so interesting. Oh my god, it's like I just bought this thing. I would say cleaning and decluttering is very, very therapeutic. I realized that there's so much junk that I have and so much money that I just spend like that, and then you ended up just not using the things that you thought you need. It's a very, very productive day, and I hope you guys enjoy my vlog, and I can't wait to create more videos and also more colors. So I see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.